His Majesty the Yang di-Pertuan Agong opened Parliament like a judge entering court. No champagne greetings. Straight to the guillotine. 5. I came to Kuala Lumpur to hunt crooks. I've already found plenty. Imagine that landing inside Dewan Rakyat, everyone's heartbeat skipping. He's not joking. He's counting. 10. Abuse power, take bribes, shield crooks. You're a traitor to the nation. No legal jargon. No alleged. Just traitor. And right to bases. Classy. Terrifying. 15. Term limits for the PM. Split the AG from the Public Prosecutor. Freedom of Information Act, Ombudsman. In a country where one man decides who breathes free air, that's not a wish. That's a royal ultimatum. 18. Accept Bahasa Melayu or don't stay in Malaysia. Harsh? Yes, but it's not about grammar. It's about who owns the story. Love it. Burn it. Either way, the line's drawn. Stop stirring tension between regions. Didn't name Akmal Saleh. Didn't need to. Every race baiter just heard their name whispered in the hall. This wasn't a speech. It was a verdict. And the gavel's still echoing. Monday, 26th of January, is the International Day of Clean Energy, designated by the UN to highlight the central role of clean energy in achieving climate goals, sustainable development, and energy justice. The day underscores the transition away from fossil fuels towards renewables, efficiency, and equitable access, especially for the global south, where energy poverty and climate vulnerability intersect most sharply. An invitation. Join me on Monday, 26th of January 2026 over lunch to discuss this and other issues related to nutrition and health. Full details are as follows. Day and date, Monday, 26th of January 2026. Time 12:30 to 14:30 hours. Venue Cafe MAB. Address Malaysian Association for the Blind, MAB. Jalan Tabing off Jalan Tun Sambanthan 4 Brickfields, 50470 Kuala Lumpur. Attendance. Attendance is free of charge for all persons with disabilities, PWD holding an OKU card. However, places are limited and depends on donations and sponsorship received. Donation attendance is by donation for able-bodied and sighted participants. Minimum donation is RM20, which should cover your lunch as well as for one PWD. Any balance will go towards my various eye treatments. A heartfelt light. To every soul whose hand did give, you've helped me dream, helped me live. In darkest hours your light came through, with hearts so kind, so pure, so true. Your gifts, like stars in deepest night, have steered me gently toward the light. Each coin, each word, each silent prayer, a thread of hope, so rich, so rare. My eyes once dimmed, now seek the skies, and slowly, clearer visions rise. Because of you, I dare to see the world again. Its grace, its plea. Your compassion's flame will not just stay with me alone. It lights the way for others wandering through despair to feel the warmth of selfless care. You've shown what love in action means, in quiet ways through giving scenes. You've built a bridge from soul to soul and made the broken feel more whole. So let this thanks rise like a song, a melody both soft and strong. May your example gently call more hearts to rise to give. To fall into the joy of lifting pain, of planting hope where none remains. Your kindness walks beside me still, a light, a love, a living will.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.